Para bigyang linaw ang mga naganap sa ikalawang araw ng pre-trial conference, makakausap po natin mismo si House Lead Prosecutor at Batangas 2nd District Representative Jervil Jinky Luistro. Magandang gabi po, Kong, at welcome back sa Arangkada Balita.
Good evening, Ninya, and good evening to all the followers and viewers of Arangkada Balita.
Congresswoman, kumusta po ang ikalawang araw ng pre-trial conference at kumpiyansa po ba kayo na on track ang lahat para sa nalalapit na trial sa July 6?
So as to the update sa nangyaring PTC today, no? This is our second day of pre-trial conference. Patuloy ang pagmamarka ng exhibits. And as I have mentioned before, talaga pong voluminous ang exhibits ng prosecution with respect to unexplained wealth and more so with respect to confidential funds. As a matter of fact, I asked the prosecution team kung hanggang kailan ba ang aabutin until we finally conclude itong marking ng lahat ng exhibits na ito. And they told me pwedeng Wednesday afternoon or even Thursday afternoon, no? And to your question kung tayo ba ay naka-align sa timeline, yes, we are. And we are positive na yung July 6 na start ng trial as previously announced by the Senate at kinonfirm din naman ni Secretary Bantog during our first PTC ay magtutuloy-tuloy na.
Okay, para po sa hindi nakakaalam, Congresswoman Jervil, ano po ba ang nangyayari dito sa pre-trial conference? So, naghaharap yung prosecution at depensa at nagkakaroon ba ng, let's say, mga intense, mga diskusyon sa pagitan ninyong dalawa?
Well, apparently, wala dapat na intense, no? Sapagkat this is just an admission and denial of proposed stipulation, no? Submission of the names of witnesses, and marking of documentary exhibits. Dito rin pinag-uusapan yung possible trial dates, no? We have manifested also the sequence or order of presentation of the 4 articles of impeachment, no? Ito po ay napakahalaga because we're trying to provide a facility ng kung anong pwedeng pagkasunduan, like for example, on stipulation of facts, para ang matitira na lamang pong pagtatalunan sa trial ay yung mga kung tawagin natin disputed issues, disputed controversies. Ibig sabihin, walang na-reach na agreement ang magkabilang panig, no? So, as to what happened during the first PTC, no? That was June 18, right, no? The defense actually raised the issue on the threshold for conviction, and they made a lot of counter manifestation and counter stipulations to our proposed stipulations for admissions. Yun po ang aming inobjekan because it has always been the intention of the prosecution to be able to finish this pre-trial conference expeditiously. In addition to that, those matters are not proper subject matters of pre-trial conference, no? Imagine as serious as the 2/3 conviction, it cannot be discussed during the pre-trial conference, no? As a matter of fact, even during trial, I don't know if the presiding officer will allow that, although I understand that that falls squarely within the political question of the legislative or the Senate specifically.
Dahil sabi nyo nga, wala dapat mga intense, wala na dapat masyadong pagdedebate or sabihin na nating salpukan ano, ng mga kanya-kanyang, di ba, na masasabi or manifestations. Congresswoman, mukhang nagkakaroon ng, would you say, make delay? Or meron bang deliberate delay? Dahil kailangan questionin na lang lahat at kung pwedeng, di ba, kung pwedeng harangin, haharangin.
That is what we are trying to prevent, no? Kasi nung first PTC, maraming issues na na-raise ang defense. So we kept on objecting. I kept on objecting because we are focused on terminating expeditiously the pre-trial conference. As a matter of fact, minanifest ni Secretary Bantog na as clerk of court, he has no authority to resolve the issues, no? So wala talagang dapat pagtalunan. And soon enough naman, nagkasundo na mag-submit na lang ng written comment to the proposed stipulations of both parties.
Ayan. So, hopefully that will make this PTCs faster or this mga pre-trial conference mas mapapabilis. So, ilan pa pong PTC bago po ang trial sa July 6?
Actually, Nina, no, kanina pinipilit namin na magkaroon ng 4 teams to facilitate the marking of exhibits. The problem is the defense is not agreeable for the reason na kulang sila. So what happened kanina, 1 team only for unexplained wealth and then 2 teams for confidential fund. We wanted to have more teams for confidential fund. It is because voluminous extremely ang documents natin for confidential fund, no? So I asked the entire prosecution team today kung ilan pa talaga ang kakailanganing araw to finish the marking of exhibits, considering the challenges and limitations na nakikita natin, no? So they told me that it's either until Wednesday afternoon or Thursday afternoon. Sana mas ma-maximize namin bukas yung isang team na hindi nagamit for the marking of exhibits ay sana magamit na rin so that there will be 4 teams from the Senate who will be facilitating simultaneously the marking of exhibits.
Okay, maraming salamat po sa inyong panahon. House Lead Prosecutor at Batangas 2nd District Representative, Jervil Jinky Vitrix Luistro. Magandang gabi po.
Thank you, Nina, and good evening sa lahat ng sumusubaybay ng Arangkada Balita.